Your curriculum wasn't designed to reach every student. Not in a classroom with 35 kids, 5 reading levels, and 3 languages. It's why teachers spend Sundays patching together whatever materials they found online. But now there's Wayground. Wayground has millions of instructional resources that complement state standards and your curriculum. Doesn't matter if you need worksheets for second grade math or instructional resources for AP US history. It's got everything. And with Waygrounds AI, you can customize those resources to each student, simplifying for one, translating for another, and rephrasing problems in just a few clicks. If some students need accommodations, like extended time or text-to-speech, you can create all those versions in minutes, not hours. You can even customize your own resources and turn them into assessments, presentations, flashcards, whatever you need. And of course, with a platform this capable, you can track student progress in real time, so gaps are identified and addressed fast. It's the one place to find and customize resources that help every student find their way. It's Wayground. Create a free account and make your curriculum go today.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohd Izzuddin and can call me Iz. So, I will presenting about our introduction, background, and also what kind of project we will do. So first, what is gamification? So gamification is some element that we add into non-gamification element. So such as into the subject, financial subject. So we add on some gamification element into it, so that can make it more interesting. And why gamification? Gamification can give boost motivation, motivation, and also add some fun concept learning style that make it more interesting and more understandable. And why we choose Wayground platform, or because it can give very positive interaction to all participation, and also positive review in terms of learning in financial subject. And also last but not least, what topic or what kind of discussion we discuss in this subject, in this presentation, and also in this gamification way. So we discuss about credit card debt issues to preventing have a lot of debt, and also financial budgeting and also saving. So in this gamification, we teach and we give knowledge to people or student to learn about saving and also financial budgeting for individual.
Now let me explain about how to play the quiz on Wayground. First, for the game mechanics, participant will earn some point for every correct answer. A live leaderboard will be shown to display rankings, or reward will be given for special achievements. This keep competition fun and motivating. Next, the game flow is simple. Participants start by registering or joining the session. Then select a mission or mode. After that, answer the question, and based on their performance, they collect the point, rewards, and achievement along the way. For example, in our quiz, we include mission related to financial literacy. In the budgeting challenge, player had to plan weekly expenses wisely. In the saving challenge, they set saving goals and try to achieve them. And for the investment scenario, participants had to choose the best investment option with limited fund. For to make clearer, our group actually play the Wayground together as a trial run. We will now show you a short example on how to play the quiz on Wayground, how the points, leaderboard, and mission are complete. Overall, this demo will help you to engaging and interactive the platform really is.
Let me show you how to join a quiz on Wayground. To join, enter the joining code that been provided by the admin. After that, enter your name to register. And click the start button. Please wait a moment until all participants are present, and the admin will start the quiz. Once the quiz has started, you begin completing missions by answering objective format questions. For each question, you are given 30 seconds. Your mission is to climb to the peak of Mount Kilimanjaro. A correct answer will take you to a higher checkpoint. Along the trail, there are obstacles in your path. You must eliminate them by selecting the special items provided. Continue answering the questions to reach the next level. You can view live updates of your current position compared to other participants. To remove obstacles along your climbing trail, choose one of the special items provided such as Immunity, 50-50, Eraser, Circle War, Swamp Attack and Equation Puzzle. Each item has its own unique power to help you advance to the next level. After successfully answering all the questions and overcoming every obstacle, your mission is now complete. The winner's results will be announced shortly. Congratulations on your effort. In addition to waiting for the winner announcement, you also have the opportunity to review all the questions you've answered through a dedicated question screen. This allows you to revisit your choices and reflect on the strategies used throughout the quiz. We hope you understand how this game works and continue to try playing and enjoy the full quiz experience. All the best.
Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you the admin dashboard in Wayground and some of the powerful tools that you can use to manage your session and members. Wayground is available on Windows, iOS and Android, but for the best experience, we recommended you using Windows for admins. To access the admin dashboard, you need a registered Wayground account. Once you log in, you already have full control of your account through the admin dashboard. The key features include the ability to manage members, where you can add, remove, or update roles such as teacher or admin. You can also find free ready-to-use resources in Wayground Library, which make it easy to get started without creating everything from scratch. If you need to make change, you can edit question anytime and even enhance them using Wayground AI for better engagement. When you are ready to run your activities, you can start a live session or assign as a session as homework, giving you flexibility in how you deliver learning. And remember, this is just part of the many features Wayground offer to make learning interactive and easy to manage. It's important to note that only admin can access this dashboard and student account cannot be added here. That's a quick overview. Want to see these features in action? Watch the next video I've prepared for you to get better understanding. Hi, to create your quiz question in Wayground, you need an account on this platform. If you already have one, just log in and you will be taken to the admin dashboard. Click the Create button to start building your question. Choose Assessment, then select Create from Scratch and pick Multiple Choice. Now, let's begin to create our question. Type your question and the answer choices from A, B, C or D. Set the correct answer and don't forget to save. Click Add Question if you want to add more questions and repeat the same steps. Don't forget to name your quiz in the presentation setting. Set the subject and the grade for your quiz and then save the quiz details. And now you have a set of questions ready to test your participants. To share the quiz, let's click at the Start button. You can choose different modes like Master Peak, Classic, Team Mode, Paper Mode, and others. For this project, we select Mastery Peak. To join the quiz, participants can enter using a join code, scan a QR code or use link. The quiz can be accessed from any devices. After participants join, the admin click Start to begin the quiz. Participants will start completing their missions. After they finish answering, the result will be displayed. The admin can also view performance analysis through the provided dashboard. So, what do you think? Excited to try it out?
Now I will explain the player interface, which is the site that participants see when they join the financial literacy quiz. So the first thing players see is their profile and the available missions. From here, they can view their progress, join quizzes, and check rewards. So the interface is designed to be simple and user-friendly so students can focus on answering questions instead of figuring out how to use the platform. During the quiz, the interface shows the question one by one with a timer, progress bar, and options to answer. Players also see a leaderboard which creates excitement and motivates them to stay competitive. Features like powers up and redemptions questions appear directly on the screen to keep the experience interactive. After completing the missions, players can unlock achievements or badges. These gamified visuals give students a sense of accomplishments and make the quiz more engaging compared to a standard test. Overall, the player interface is designed to be straightforward, interactive, and motivating, which makes financial learning more enjoyable for students.
My name is Dayang. I'll continue our discussion on our accomplishment and also challenges faced throughout our ongoing project making. Firstly, our team successfully developed and tested the financial literacy quiz poll using the Wayground platforms. Compared to other platforms like Quizlet or even Kahoot, Waygrounds actually provided a more engaging experience due to its gamified features such as team challenges, power-ups, and tier achievements. The interactive nature of Waygrounds kept participants motivated and encouraged collaborative learning, which we believe enhanced their understanding of personal financial planning topics. Now, of course, no project is without its challenges. Even so, it wasn't all smooth sailing for our team either. So there were a few challenges that I can point out throughout our workflow. First was the platform setup. Getting Waygrounds ready was quite complex. We had to carefully set up the flow of questions, making sure the scoring system worked perfectly, and also ensuring the whole look and feel was engaging enough for all players by age and generation. This involved a lot of trial and errors and especially attention to details itself. Secondly, we also faced instability internet connections. We discovered that stable internet is super important. If the internet connection was shaky, it could cause lag or even disconnect people during the quiz itself. This really affected the experience for both the players and us running the quizzes, making it very frustrating for both participants and even the hosts. Lastly, we also faced a lot of time and coordination problem. For instance, managing our team's tasks and coordinating when people could participate within our scheduled time was also very challenging. There were moments of miscommunication in our team, which is natural when you're juggling different responsibilities under pressure. From that alone, we should always make sure that everyone was on the same page and that we could run the quizzes session smoothly. That also requires a lot of careful planning and also communication overall. And overall, despite these challenges alone, Waygrounds actually provided a fantastic and engaging platform for our financial literacy quiz bowl project. We learned a lot about how platforms such as Waygrounds can make learning more interactive, customizable for different types of players, and channeling collaborative learning tools in one. Okay, so now let's continue with our next slide, which is improvements that our team discussed while using the platform. Looking ahead, there are some really cool upgrades we're excited about for the Wayground platform. First up is integrated augmented reality or AR features. The AR elements present a compelling opportunity to enrich the learning experience. AR elements could facilitate immersive financial scenarios and also interactive visualization for users' engagement. Secondly, we're also thought of it would be super helpful to add an integrated e-wallet system. This will let you practice real-life transaction activities that are user-friendly, similar to banking platforms like TNG. Which this will give you a hands-on way or experience to understand budgeting and spending habits more fondly. However, besides the point, we also acknowledge the technical issues that arise, which can be annoying sometimes. So we're suggesting the lightweight mobile app and offline access for some activities to help keep things running smoothly no matter where you are. Plus, having pre-recorded tutorials and practices session before quizzes will help everyone feel more comfortable with the platform itself. Finally, to boost students' interaction and also engagement, we introduced our customizable avatars and reward badges, which suggested as a means of intrinsic motivation for users. Moreover, adding leaderboards, personalized feedbacks, and also social sharing options will help create a lively collaborative learning environment. These refinements are anticipated to transforming Waygrounds into a vibrant community where learning and also engagement go hand in hand while also help to enhance their overall efficiency and user experience of the Wayground platforms. So that's all from me and our group members. Thank you for listening and have a good day.